So hi guys, today it's the first Lego speed build I've done in a while, where I'm going to be building this Lego Marvel Spider-Man vehicle, which looks absolutely awesome. But yeah, let's just get straight into the unboxing. So yeah, obviously first of all I have to do the unboxing with my pocket knife here. I'll try and get it close to the camera here. Actually, do we even need this? Probably not. I think you can just put your thumb in the back of this one. Yeah, you can. That's unfortunate. I think it's only with bigger sets that you can really do that. I'm still going to do it anyway, because it's cool doing it. I actually do sit by Lego boxes as well, so I don't really like damaging them that much. I saved them for if I want to pack up a set in the future and sell it to someone maybe, which I don't think I'm gonna do very hopefully, but if the set gets like worth lots, then I might as well. Yeah, there we go, the unboxing. It's got a couple of bags, but yeah, let's get right into the speed build, guys. So here is the end product. It's a very nice car. It's pretty much the same size as the Speed Champions, apart from the back here, which extends much longer, of course. Ignore the background because that's for probably a future video on this channel. Yeah, I loved this build. I don't want the video taking much longer really than what it needs to be, so yeah, it's a really different car. I've definitely not got another one like it. It'll go in with my Marvel section, which is over there. You can see it up there, look, with the Avengers mix. I did a speed build on a few months ago. Yeah, it's a really nice fit, I would say. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. Please go like and subscribe. Goodbye.